Good evening, Biafras. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, according to your time zone. We are happy to see our leader in the court yesterday. We are happy to see him in the court. We are very, very happy. We are winning the race. We are winning the race. Let's listen to what the barristers, what they say in the court about what they say, the update they gave to us in the on the court yesterday. Let's listen to our barristers. The update they gave to us. We are waiting for the Nigerian government on 19th of March. That's what they will say again. We know that the game is rolling in a high speed. The release of our leader is on the high speed. It's coming out, and it's coming out with a flag. Biafra is the only solution, and we must get our Biafrans. Let's listen to the video. Let's listen to the video and see. Then listen to the video and drop your comment according to the video. We are winning the race. Biafra is coming, and Biafra is the only solution, and nothing will stop us, and nothing will stop our freedom. Freedom we are looking for, and freedom we shall get it. Freedom is all what we want. Freedom for one is freedom for all. Let's watch the video and listen to it. Drop your comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Like the video and share the video for others to listen to it. Thank you. Let's watch the video.
Amen. Sorry. I'll tell you. I'm live. I got it.
But I want to assure all Biafrans everywhere. The work goes on, the cause endures, the hope still lives, the dream never dies. We will continue to persist, inspired by NNAMDI KANU's greatness in confronting just staggering pain, suffering, etc., for the cause of so many, the living and those yet to be born. And we are confident that justice ultimately will prevail. It may be late, but I think that everyone should tremble when they recognize that God is just and his justice will not sleep forever. So we have a renewed bail hearing scheduled for March 19th. We're guardedly optimistic it will turn out positively for everyone, because the rule of law, which is what is at stake here, benefits every Nigerian, not just one group, not just Hausa, Fulani, Yoruba, Biafrans, Igbos. The rule of law benefits everyone, and that's what this struggle is about. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you once again, Barrister Ejiofor. So this is one of our legal luminaries for Ipob and NNAMDI KANU. Okay, so Barrister, please, in summary, what transpired today in court?
Well, thank you very much. What happened today in court was the bail application we filed was moved. We urged His Lordship to release NNAMDI KANU as directed by the Supreme Court. And we also, in the course of moving the application, urged my Lord to be guided and persuaded by the judgments of other high courts, especially the High Court in Umuahia and the High Courts at Enugu, where the issues of his living Nigeria was adequately canvassed and discussed. And we know that in those courts, the courts held that NNAMDI did not jump bail, but rather was chased away from Nigeria by the Nigerian armed forces when they went to terminate his life in his house in Afaru. The prosecution, on the other hand, challenged the issue of bail, claiming that he jumped bail, but obviously the Supreme Court had taken care of that. The Supreme Court said in their judgment of December 15, 2023, that NNAMDI did not jump bail, but rather had to escape for the safety of his life and well-being, and that nobody should have revoked his bail in the first place, you know. So we thank God that today we were able to move that application. We were actually hoping also that we were going to have a ruling today, but eventually His Lordship was of opinion that bail, that they really had to wait until the 19th of March 2024, by which time she would have made up her mind whether to grant bail or not, or the conditions to attack the bail if granted. We're also looking forward to the hearing. Yes, she had directed the prosecution to file their witness statement on oath from the witnesses they have, and serve on us timeously so that we can prepare for our defense and cross-examination. So we're looking forward to a robust 19th of March, you know, when they will present whatever witness they have, and then we can also challenge those witnesses with our questions to determine the veracity or otherwise of what they are going to say. So that is precisely what happened today, and what we expect to happen in the nearest future between today and the 19th of March 2024.
Okay, thank you very much. And please,
My name is Ejiofor.
please, Barrister, the public has been in the know regarding MAZI and the KANU's health issue.
Yes.
So a simple question, and I believe the public also wants to, to know the updates. How is NNAMDI KANU health-wise?
Well, from the medical reports made available to us, which we filed in court, his health is not too wonderful. He needs proper medical attention, and it's obvious that in the DSS facility where he's detained, there is no, they do not have the capacity or the enough facility to handle the situation, his health condition. You can imagine a situation where samples of his blood have been taken over 25 times, and yet there is no cure in sight. So we have also brought in an independent medical practitioner who also examined him and had come up with a conclusion that the situation he's having right now can lead to heart failure. And we know that DSS may not be able to have the facility to treat such conditions. You might even find it difficult to have it in the State House. You remember in the State House some time ago, the former First Lady said that they don't even have syringes. That is the clinic of the president.
Paracetamol.
They don't have paracetamol, they don't have syringes. So you can imagine them bringing an issue of heart before such facility. So we do not think they have the facility to take care of him health-wise, otherwise they would have done it. We also believe they do not have the facility to even manage it. Such death can come gradually. It can come gradually, and that is what I think we're experiencing, okay? But we are looking forward to a situation where this court can grant bail, then he can look for a good medical hospital that will handle his health condition and treat him, not just manage it, but treat him.
Well, it was tough. There are a lot of issues that arose today that are unexpected, but I'm satisfied the way we address those issues on the spot. A little disappointment remains that the court could not do a bench ruling on the bail application today. See, our client here has been detained for almost 5 years, counting to when he was detained from 2015 to today. So each extra day he remains in detention is a blight on his right to his liberty. So every lawyer should fight to have him enjoy his bail, be granted bail, so he can enjoy some freedom from this almost 5 years of detention and almost 7 years of being in exile. 3 weeks is not too much, but I would have preferred a bench ruling today.
But so far today, the court gave some orders in favor of your client with regards to his change of attire.
Yes.
He has been wearing since 2021. That is a step in the right direction. How do you react to that?
Well, it is, even though it detracted from him having to wear his traditional clothing. A little bit of victory there is something to be happy about. So at least he can have a change of clothing since he was renditioned in 2021. So we're happy about it.
Last,
So what was it?
I want to know the reason behind the change of counsel. Is there a reason behind that? Because Michael Zekome...
There's only one reason. Every client everywhere in the world has a right to change his counsel anytime. I may not be the one here on 19th March. By the grace of God, I hope I will be, but it may not be me. That is the right. So you have under the law to change their counsel.
So as you prepare for trial, sir, on the 19th, what's your position on the 7 counts that he's going to be facing before this court?
We've always been ready for trial, but as my Lord stated, trial is not for us to conduct. It's for the prosecution to conduct. Ours is to do cross-examination and put our defense at the end of the trial. We are ready.
Thank you very much.
The bail application is not meant to delay trial, as the prosecution suggested. No, we are ready. Thank you.